With a 2-1 loss in the North London derby, Arsenal's aim of Champions League football seems unfeasible, and the current squad can be improved in all three areas of the pitch. In the words of Mikel Arteta,
how big a job have you got here?
The gap in many areas, we cannot improve it in 2 months, and the gap is enormous.
Do you think you'll have the finance that you need?
I don't know.
Is that not a concern?
Big concern. And there is no magic. You need, with quality players, the squad.
But apart from the obvious concerns, the Gunners face an even uphill task, and that is the likely departure of Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. In the absence of Champions League and matchday revenue amid the pandemic, the club's financial ventures needs solid planning. Keeping that in mind, today we are going to look at possible replacements for the club's outgoing star man. So without further ado, let's begin. Kevin Volland has been one of the most reliable strikers in the Bundesliga for the past number of years. In 146 appearances for the club, the German international has copped up 50 goals and 31 assists in all competitions. Volland prefers to play as an out-and-out striker but can drift in from the left-hand side. Under new manager Peter Bosz, Leverkusen's counter-attacking approach is spearheaded by Volland up front, with Kai Havertz laying in behind on the right-hand side. Similar profile can be built at the Emirates using Lacazette and Volland as two attacking pivots. Hector Bellerin and Kieran Tierney can push up the pitch, and high pressing can exploit oppositions on many instances. In 38 appearances this season, Volland has managed 12 goals and 7 assists altogether, with an average of 2.6 shots per 90. On top of that, the frontman averages 1.2 key passes per 90, with an average match rating of 7.02. Under given financial crisis, Kevin Volland's price tag of 25 million is extremely affordable, and the player's consistent attacking output is worth a shot. Although Aubameyang's expected goal involvement per 90 is hard to match, the Lyon striker does a pretty good job. In 3,000 minutes this campaign, Moussa Dembele has secured a total of 23 goals and 2 assists, only outdone by Memphis Depay. The French striker averages 2.1 shots per game and wins 2.5 of his aerial duels, along with 0.9 key dribbles per 90. In Arteta's possession-based approach, Aubameyang has excelled due to his final third versatility, and any future purchase needs to share a similar attacking style. Moussa Dembele provides exactly that, with 0.66 expected goals per 90. In the favourable system of 4-2-3-1, the French international can be deployed anywhere in the front three. According to latest reports, Dembele is valued at a price tag of 40 million, which seems reasonable and can be realized with the revenue generated from the end of season departures. The 20-year-old Canadian sensation has attracted the interest of many European elites this season. David's ability to hold up play in the final third, along with his maturity in front of goal, is well beyond his age. In 40 appearances this season, the striker has netted a total of 23 goals and has assisted 10 times in all competitions. The Canadian star can also operate as a secondary striker or even as an attacking midfielder depending on the system played. The youngster has a goal involvement of 1.07 per 90 and has 40% of his shots testing the goalkeeper. His speed, technique and playing style is very similar to the outgoing centre forward. It's hard to argue the potential of Jonathan David, and at only £18 million, Arsenal can definitely secure a star for the future. One of the most underrated performers in the Italian league for the past 5 years, Domenico Berardi is deployed mostly at the right side of attack but can play as a secondary striker with Lacazette up front. Keeping in mind the below-par displays of Sassuolo in the past campaigns, Berardi's attacking output is simply outrageous. The Italian has managed a goal contribution of 0.52 per 90 for the last 7 years, along with 12 goals and 7 assists this season alone. The right winger is a set-piece expert and can be threatening from the right channel, either by working the byline or simply cutting in. In 257 appearances overall, Berardi has managed a stunning 87 goals and 56 assists in all competitions. Out of all our picks, he ranks the highest with an average match rating of 7.5 this term. Arsenal's squad depth on the right wing, apart from Nicolas Pepe and Gabriel Martinelli, is pretty limited, and this makes the number 25 a suitable option. His layoff style mixed with defensive contribution and straightforward approach makes him an ideal candidate for Arteta's formation. With only a £20 million investment and most of his career spent in Italy, the player must be intrigued by a possible change of scenery in the near future. With that being said, this can be the final team for Arsenal next season.